Across Sindh, millions of women manage households, care for families, and keep communities running, but many lack access to basic financial services and digital tools. Everyday tasks become challenges when resources and knowledge are out of reach. Many of these women work in agriculture and face poverty related challenges, especially due to low literacy and limited access to financial systems. The Digital and Financial Literacy Training (DFLT), funded by the European Union and German government and implemented by SDPI in partnership with the Sindh Social Protection Authority, is designed to empower women across Sindh. From understanding digital payments to opening bank accounts, this program will equip women with the knowledge and confidence to take control of their financial futures. Government programs often support low income and agriculture worker households, but many women struggle to access these benefits simply because financial procedures feel unfamiliar.
और सबसे अच्छी बात ये उन्हें लगी
And the best part is that these women told us is creating a banking account on mobile. Now they can sit at home and send or receive money to someone. Earlier, they used to go to a shop or a franchise and wait in line for hours. Now, they can sit at home and send or receive money through mobile.
Imagine being unable to send money to your children's school or hesitant to visit a bank because you don't know how it works. DFLT transforms these challenges into opportunities. This becomes especially important during emergencies like floods or heat waves, when women need quick and easy access to relief support.
In the heart of Sindh, an ambitious vision is unfolding through digital and financial literacy training program, a vision that is transformative in nature and that aims to train approximately 300,000 women across the province. These women essentially comprise of social protection beneficiaries of Mamta program, women agriculture labor force, and urban informal workers in Sindh. The curriculum of the digital and financial literacy training is intricately designed based on the persona of these women. Taking forward this initiative, we at STPI are fully committed to reaching women in every corner of the Sindh, even in the most remote villages. These empowered women are not just beneficiaries, these are leaders of change, building a better future not only for themselves but also for the communities.
Through practical, locally led training, women will learn to navigate banking systems, track their savings, and advocate for their rights, all in their own language and in their communities. With GIZ support, the training also includes a simple module on preparing for climate shocks, basic steps like safe water use, hygiene, and staying prepared during floods or heat waves.
Before this, I didn't know where to start. After the training, I'll be able to handle money, pay bills, and save for my children's future. I was always afraid of using an ATM. After this training, I finally understand how it works.
This DFLT program is synthesized after training need assessment of women in Sindh. I analyzed their daily challenges, learning gaps, and aligned the content with DFLT standards, international best practices, and lessons learned from DFLT 1. The program is fully localized, practical, and incorporates essential adaptive features. Altogether, it equips women to use digital tools confidently, manage finance, and make informed decisions for resilience of their household during the climatic and economic shocks.
Financial literacy is playing major role in behavior change of poor population, especially because they're not inclined to saving the money and utilizing the money. Poor people especially are getting some money from different projects, mothers, WISP, Social Protection Authority, and but that money is not being utilized properly. Well, I will give the credit to European Union and German government for starting this financial literacy program. That's very, very productive for poor people, the people living in far-flung areas, in remote communities, and I'll appreciate that.
जिस औरत ने एटीएम देखा नहीं था वो अब एटीएम यूज करेगी।
इस औरत को मोबाइल वॉलेट यूज नहीं करना आ रहा था वो अब यूज कर रही है।
Today, we launch a program that will change lives, strengthen communities, and unlock the potential of women in Sindh. Financial literacy will help women manage their funds wisely and stay resilient during difficult times. This is just the beginning. Together, We are building a future where every woman can take charge of her financial journey.